Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty McKean from Nao Nails. In this video, we are going to do this woven effect. That's all I can say it is. If you've seen the picture at the beginning of this video, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So.
Oh, we're putting a picture at the beginning of the video.
Well, you normally
you mean the thumbnail?
The thumbnail.
Oh, right, okay,
Yeah.
fair dues. I get what you mean now.
So, I've already prepped this nail. I've removed the surface shine from this tip. If you're doing this on a real person, then you will need to remove the surface shine from the nail with a nail file and also apply the Urban Graffiti base coat. Right, this colour is called Chatterbox, very apt. And then what we're going to need is we will need black. So where is my serious black? And I'm going to put a little bit of that onto a palette. You can use backing paper from sculpting form if you want to, or you can use a palette or anything as long as it is cleanable. I'm going to do 2 coats of that colour so we can get it really bright. When I was saying, oh, what colour shall we do this, Adam was like, oh, cheery chatterbox. So we
need some kind of, we need brightening up. We need some brightness in our lives at the moment because it's getting stressy. My household at the moment is very stressy. I know yours is.
Yeah. So we have our nail with Chatterbox on, and we'll need some black. So we need serious black. We are going to. These are simple lines now, simple lines for simple minds. I can't get everything on camera. I can't lean here and I can't get the palette on camera. Sorry, because I need this space to rest.
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to go from the bottom of this one up and the bottom of this one up. Simple lines for simple minds. And then we're going to go from here to here. What you might want to do if you're following this and you're doing it all at the same time is to stop the video, do that bit and then carry on. Yeah? If that makes any sense whatsoever. Because now we're going to pull from the bottom of this dot around to that dot. It's important to make sure that you don't cure these dots.
Yeah, this is different to what you did before.
But you don't want to cure them because you want to pull from them. And then repeat here. Start spoke to me, Dad.
I'm not.
Well, the thingy man was here, wasn't he?
There's a project here called Kirsty Being Annoyed. What?
Is it just me going?
Well, it's 45 minutes long. So I can't imagine that that's what it is. Oh no, it's 45 seconds. Oh, it must have been some outtakes from something.
Okay, so you're going to get to that point, and then we're going to pull from this one to this one, and this one to this one. And it'll appear as if we have this sort of woven effect. And you see it coming together now. And it all started off with some little dots.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Oh, sorry, just you got cut off mid-word there. And I don't know what happened.
Yeah. Yeah. Filming. God, that's screaming. Are you okay? Are you sure? Promise. You are? Okay, that's fine. So if we look at the side here, we can just squidge a few more. Excuse the ice machine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we managed to just squeeze a few more lines on there. So the main object is, as you look at these, you'll know if you've continued the pattern. If it all starts going, oh, I don't know what's going on, it looks crazy. Look at the dots. And have the dots got 4 lines pulling from them. That's what you're going to check. Do they have 4 lines pulling from them? If they have, you've continued the pattern. Because if you look at every dot, they have 4 lines pulling from them. And they don't actually look like dots anymore. They kind of look a bit more... Oh, I don't even know what to say the shape is. But it's slightly changed shape now. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Now we can cure
Oh, sorry.
We can cure at this stage. So now what we need to do is exaggerate the fact that it's a woven nail. So we're going to add shadow. Now, if you get your brush and rub it through the black and kind of take off as much as you can, and you just want that amount. So it's like that, yeah? So you're kind of using the very tiniest amount to get a shadow here. I don't know if you can't, that looks like it's pink. On there, it's definitely not. That looks pink, doesn't it? It's not pink.
I don't know. What colour is it?
Grey. So you see on my palette how it's grey, transparent.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Just because it's too transparent.
Don't know. Just looks pink.
Mm.
It's not pink. You can always take a dry brush and blend that a little bit. So we get a shadow. So what you need to do is concentrate now and look at what part is going underneath. So if these parts are looping underneath, they're going to have the shadow because they're going underneath here. So this part is going underneath that part. I'm going to cure that So not forgetting, we need to do it on these side parts as well.
What was your favourite optical illusion when you were like a kid, or well, maybe it's not a kid? What was your favourite optical illusion now? Yeah, the stairs is always cool, isn't it? Is it the infinite staircase? That's what it's called, isn't it?
Because of like the labyrinth.
Mm.
Because
Yeah.
that kind of thing appeared in the labyrinth.
Yeah, it did.
And I absolutely loved the labyrinth as a child. Still love it now, to be honest. If you've not seen the labyrinth, now's the time to sit and watch it. Or if you've watched it and maybe your children haven't watched it, I think it'd be quite cool to watch. I mean, when Cassidy first watched it when she was probably about 6, and she did find it a little bit scary. So
Yeah.
maybe when they're sort of like, I don't know, 8, 9 plus.
Yeah, I wouldn't any younger than 8 a bit.
Mhm.
Mm.
And it's not, obviously we don't find it scary, but
What do
watching.
you mean we? I don't know, it's scary.
Do you?
It's got some scary moments in it.
I don't think.
The hands. You know, the bit where she's fallen, the hands are grabbing her.
Yeah.
That's scary.
I know, but do you know what I love about the labyrinth?
Mm.
I love like the characters and all the animation, like the animatronics.
Yeah.
I love all that, and watching things like that gave me a real big love for special effects. Criterion, you know, like with Dark Crystal and all that kind of stuff. I just absolutely loved it, and I remember watching the making of Thriller, and that just like blew my mind, and I knew that I wanted to do something like that. I wanted to learn how to do that kind of stuff, and I did. You know, I went and did special effects makeup, and I loved it. If you could see Adam now, he's just putting his psoriasis cream on. So you can see now that is looking like it's overlapping and underlapping and all that. But we can add even more, because we're going to add some here. Coming this way now. So we did all the horizontal curves, now we're doing all the vertical curves. Make sense? So we did all the horizontal curves, yeah, shadowed all those. Now we're doing the vertical curves. Going underneath. Right, let's cure that. Then we need a little bit of white. So we've got Snow White and the 3 dwarfs. 7 dwarfs, sorry.
3 dwarfs?
So there were 3
What did you do? Did you kill the rest? Yeah, isolation was a nightmare. Dopey and sleepy and grumpy and doc, they all had to go.
They had to go.
I could only live with happy.
Snow White, the 3 dwarfs.
Sneezy definitely went.
Oh my god. Oh. Right, so we got a bit of white. Oh god, right, okay. So you can't actually highlight it the same way as we've just sort of created the shadows. You can add a little bit of highlight like this. But to be honest, I don't think it's needed. I don't think that you need to go around and do all that. I think there's enough depth there. If you really want to, you can go for it. But if you think there's enough, then just leave it like it is. You know, literally just doing a little tiny bit, just to show you. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get the white on your detailer side of your brush. We got 21 seconds to go. We got 21 seconds to go. Sorry.
Sorry, we've got that stuck in your head now, haven't I?
Yeah.
Better than all of this TikTok stuff that's stuck in my head.
Yeah.
There's just too much TikTok stuff in there. It's going to be alright a bit.
So we're going to do all of the... What lines are these? These are vertical. Vertical lines. Vertical. So the vertical curves, what you're doing is you're kind of highlighting them with a line. Just like that. And then we're going to do the horizontal. So you can see how much it's changed now just by adding that little bit of highlight and low light. Pop that in to the lamp. And guess what? We're going to put matte on. Now let's put that in the lamp. Right, let's have a look. Damn! How gorgeous is that?
Very nice.
It's so, it's like...
It is like that, like you said, optical illusion.
Yeah. I love it.
Very
Love
cool.
it, love it, love it. There you are, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you've enjoyed watching us while everybody is self-quarantining. Or what, self-quarantining? That's not even a word, is it?
Self-isolating.
Self-isolating. Are we actually in quarantine?
We're in lockdown, so... Oh, it's like a quarantine thing, but...
Something like that.
Yeah.
Well, we've all got to stay in anyway. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed that video. I hope you're all safe and well. Please comment below. Let us know what you've been up to while you've been staying at home. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.
See you later.
Okay, my darlings, we're back.
Yeah, I love this one. Are you in the dance studio? In the kitchen.
No, we're in the front room.
Oh yeah, that's
We zoom out.
But there's a massive smiley face on the oh yeah.
Then she jumps on my back and we go out, we fall over. Yeah, you can see it better now.
Yeah. I like that one as well.
Watch me go with it. Ah!